Hi guys, this is a video to let you know about a possibility to increase your score in the Chapter 2 test. My morning classes kind of struggled with this test and they all had pretty low scores. Even though I do not allow retakes, it is stated in my syllabus, I don't allow retakes. Those really low scores are hurting their grades a lot. So I had to rethink it and give them the opportunity to retake this Chapter 2 test, but only this Chapter 2 test. So I'm hoping I don't have to do this in the future. I have looked at you guys' scores, and your class did actually much better than the morning classes. However, I thought it was only fair that since they are having the chance to improve their scores, you guys would be given that chance as well. So if you would like to improve your score, the opportunity that I am given is for you to retake the Chapter 2 test through my math lab at home in your computer. And if you score higher in that test than you did on the paper test, then I will take that higher score. If you score lower, then I will keep your paper score. Whichever one of the two is higher, that's the one I'm going to keep. However, since this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, I did have to make some hurdles for you, and not really hurdles, but I really do want you to get a really high score if you're going to try to do this. So what I did is I set up a study plan that you must complete first before you attempt the test. So if you do want to go ahead and improve your score, I want you to study and to practice before you actually do the test. So whether you want to or not, here's how to access it. So you go ahead and go to the My Lab and Mastering tab. And then in there, you're going to go into all of my assignments, and that's going to open another tab. And you're going to scroll all the way down. And here's the Chapter 2 test version 2. Again, you cannot take this until you complete the study plan. So you're actually going to have to click on the study plan. And there are 13 different topics that are being tested in this test. But you only have to complete 6 out of these 13 practices. So you don't have to do all 13 of them. And in order for you to get that mastery point, you actually have to do the quiz 100% correctly. So you can go ahead and try any one of these quizzes and then take it. And if you get it 100%, then you get a point. So you need to get 6 out of these quizzes correctly. Now, if you want to make sure that you will get 100%, you can do the practice. The practice has 10 questions, which you do not need to complete all. You can just kind of go in there and see what's going to be on the quiz, and then just get out of the practice and go into the quiz. When you get into the quiz, there are 5 questions per quiz, and you do have to get them all correctly. If you don't, this will be grayed out, and it will not be allowed for you to start until you do a couple of correct questions in the practice. So you do 1 or 2 questions right here, and then it'll open this one right back up. So once you've completed all 6 correct quizzes, you can go ahead and stop, or you can keep looking through the practices just so you can see what type of questions will be on this exam. But the questions are going to be very similar, just different numbers to the paper test that you completed. So once you're done with your 6 and you get all 6 out of 13, it'll let you go back to all of your assignments and then go ahead and click on the Chapter 2 test. And like I said, if you get a better score in that, I will go ahead and put it into Canvas. But it is a lot of work. So if you do not want to take the time to take all the stuff and you're comfortable with the score you got with your paper, then that's it. You don't have to do this. This is just an opportunity to improve it if you want to. However, it does take a little bit of work in order to do so. Email me any questions if you have any. Other than that, have a wonderful weekend. Bye.